Now he may be the next superhero on the block, but King Khan firmly takes a backseat when his queen steps onto stage. Divya only caught up with the actor who's surprisingly intent on following an all is well policy. Nowadays, smart move because kinky maybe, but even Ravan wouldn't want two formidable Khans as his foes.
Shah Rukh Khan is usually the boss of everything he does, but his latest television commercial might be a tad different. Shah Rukh, this is your first TV commercial with your wife Gauri, so would it be safe to say you are the one being bossed around?
Yeah, I mean it's a little different when you're working with the family. You know, you're nervous for them, and apart from wanting to get it right for yourself, you have a little more responsibility. And yes, many times I noticed on the set, Ajay and Sanjay from Do Record, they used to say the hero of this TVC is the furnishing and the sofa, the heroine is Gauri, and Shah Rukh is just the sidekick. So yeah, it was after 20 years in my career, it was wonderful to be treated like a sidekick. Yeah? I think my walk turned out well, my pictures and work turned out well. So I hope the TVC turns out well, that this one is a bigger, much larger canvas.
Were you the one who sort of just kicked back, and did you judge her when she was on camera? Did you see she doing it right?
I'm not very judgmental about, the kind of acting I do. I don't think I should be judgmental about other people. I just do. And I'm just happy being part of entertainment. But, she's my wife. And I think she's beautiful. I think she's really nice and she's very attractive. And being on camera is not going to change that. And as is, I'm very gentle with newcomers. I'm very kind to them. And you can ask all the new actresses who work with me.
You are back from a very long London schedule of Ravan. We'd like to know how the film is shaping up according to you.
I don't know. When you're making a film, you never know. We're putting our best foot forward. I think we've done some stuff which is hopefully not been tried in India before. Technically, yes, it's one of the most superior films that I've ever attempted. And I will not be wrong in saying that it's perhaps one of the technically most advanced films in terms of action and VFX. Finally, when it comes to it, it's a superhero film. I'm playing a good guy, the good one, G1.
There was a lot made about the dinner date you had with Amir Khan recently outside India. So was there any agenda behind that, or was that just friends catching up?
No, actually, Amir wanted to come in. I wanted him to come and see the shooting because we were doing this really huge stunt where cars were going to fly, which I put the picture also on Twitter. And I was really keen that he comes and sees the shoot because it was very special, and I want all good thinking people, Amir being absolutely the top on that, to see different techniques so they can use it. I told Ritik, I told Amir, please come and see it so you guys can utilize it or understand it, because for us I noticed that it's become more and more about wanting to do new things in films. We had dinner together. I was very excited to discuss Ravan with him. He was very excited to discuss briefly. I didn't see it. I'll inshallah catch up with it later now.
Well, anything can happen when two superstars dine together, but Amir is of the only Khan to benefit from SRK's generous moods nowadays. And apart from wife Gauri Khan, SRK is trying to placate a rather big and bossy rival. Right, Divya?
Absolutely right, Radhika. It actually was SRK's Dabangg moment out there. Apart from playing the doting husband he usually does, he also made sure he kept arch rival Salman Khan happy. He said he loves the promos of Dabangg and he's definitely gonna catch it.
Do you appreciate that I work hard now or not?
मैं 2 दिन से सो रही हूँ आजकल, क्योंकि I've never worked so much in my life. So
गौरी ने कभी मेहनत नहीं किया, तो 2 दिन की शूटिंग के बाद 2 दिन से सोती जा रही है.
King Khan makes no bones about how much he loves his queen, but on Thursday evening in Mumbai, as he announced his first full-length television commercial with wife Gauri Khan, he made sure the world knew that she was the boss.
अब इसके बाद तुम फिल्मों में भी काम करोगी, तो बता दो. अगर करने वाली हो तो मैं प्रोड्यूस कर लूँ, साइन कर लूँ, और अगर नहीं करने वाली हो तो ये भी बता दो, so that how special this film is that you're never going to do another film after this.
if I was younger, I would have.
However, he was not just in the mood to spread the love, but in the mood to make some peace too. After Amir Khan, it was time for Shah Rukh Khan to extend the olive branch to arch rival Salman Khan. Even the superstar seems convinced that Salman's latest effort will give the bang for the buck.
When I saw the promos and songs and some interviews, it looks very nice. Inshallah, it will do very well, and I'll watch it at home, yeah.
And wait, it hardly ends there. At least for Shah Rukh, putting speculations to rest seemed to be the theme of the evening.
At this point, I'm not in touch with Farah, but I wish Tismal Khan all the success that God can give her. I hope it's the bigger hit than Om Shanti Om, which is her last film. I won't comment on other films. I hope it's the biggest hit ever. I hope it does well for Akshay. I can never think negative of my friends or their families.
Well, we hope the two are listening, because as B-Town's first couple proved, sometimes there is strength in numbers. In Mumbai, Divya Only for NDTV.